Let's start together with 4.1, proportional relationships and slope. The word proportional, how do I know that the graph is proportional? I always know that the graph is proportional whenever it passes through the point 0 and 0. Whenever it passes through the origin, we know that this graph is proportional. Mister, what does it mean? For example, in these graphs, you can say that the first one is proportional. The first one here is proportional, okay? But the second one, does it start from the origin? No. So we can say this is non-proportional. We know that our general rule for the equations is y equals mx plus b. B is the y-intercept. And what is m, ya Adham? It is
M is slope.
the slope. What is the rule for the slope? M equals y2
by 2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Very good. In the proportional questions, we can simply divide to get the m. To get the m, I can simply divide 6 over 1 to get the 6. If someone used the rule, it will be also correct. 6 minus 0 over the change in x, 1 minus 0. So again, I'm working with this point. What is y here? It is 6. And what is x? It is 1. So we can simply say that 6 over 1, which is the slope, which is equal to 6. In the non-proportional, how do I get the slope? M equals y2 again minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Can I simply divide 60 divided 1 to get the slope? No. In this case, you must use the rule to get the slope. Mister, in the first one here, we just divided 6 over 1 and it was correct because it was passing through the origin. So 6 minus 0 is 6, 1 minus 0 is 1, so 6 over 1 is 6. In non-proportional, you must use the rule. How do I know it's not proportional? It is not passing through the origin. Is it passing through the origin, Lydia? No. So I must use my rule, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Mister, what are these letters? Let's think about this point. The y is 60. And the x here is 1. What about the second point? The second point, the y is 90. And the x is what? What is x, Yanur?
The x is 4.
The x is 4. So this is point A, for example, or the first point, and this is the second point. The first point has y1, and here's x1. This is the first point. The second point has y2 and x2. Now, can I get the slope? Yes, it is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, very good. So how can I do this? What minus what? Yalla, let's do it together. Here I have y2 is 90 minus what, Adham? Where is y1?
Y1 is 60.
So 90 minus 60. Very good. Over x2 minus x1. 4 minus 1. What is 90 minus 60? It is 30. 4 minus 1, 3. 30 divided 3 is just 10. So now the slope here is 10. Mister, he asked you for the slope, and we get the slope in the proportional and the non-proportional question. But how do I get the equation? Again, my general equation is y equals mx plus b. And b is the y-intercept. What does it mean, intercept? Cutting the y-axis type. Here, y equals, what is m? 6. So 6x we should have plus b, but this point is cutting the y-axis at 0, so it is plus 0, and we do not write plus 0. So the answer is y equal 6x. Stop. In the other hand here, again, I need the m, I need the b, and this time I have b, which is this line is cutting the y-axis where? Nearly at here, he's cutting the y-axis here. So Lydia, the y-axis, this line is cutting the y-axis where, ya Lydia? What is this point? It's between the 30 and the 60. Huh? What do you have in between the 30 and the 60? 45. And it is a little bit above 45. So we can say that B is nearly, nearly what, ya Lydia? Lydia, can you hear me? طيب. Adham.
Yes.
What is the y-intercept, Adham? This line is cutting the y-axis where?
At 45.
Nearly 45 or a little bit above. So we can say 45. ماشي. Or 47, something like this. Yeah, it is a little bit above 45. So
Okay.
the y equals
Then
mx plus b. What is m? I have just got 10. So y equals
it's 10x
x plus
plus
b. What is
47.
b? b is
47.
47. Very good. So now I know how to get the equation from the graph. Next. What do I have here in this question? I will also need to find the slope. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. It is the same idea. Type. So tables. He might give you the table on the like this, a table like this one, and he will ask you to find the slope of a line. Again, m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. For example, this is point A and this is point B. I have to find
She doesn't check anything.
A and B. So in the first point here, what do you have? The x is -2. So we can say that this is x1, y1, -2 and 1. 3 and 4 in point B. Where is x2, ya Noor? x2 is this. X2 is the 3. And y2 is
the 4.
the 4. So get the slope, ya Noor.
The slope is the 4 minus
4 minus
1.
1. Very
4,
good.
1.
Because we are subtracting y2 minus y1, bravo, over x2
over
minus x1.
3
which is 3 minus -2. Very good.
-2.
Very good. So it is equal. 4 minus 1 is
3
minus which to be
plus
positive. So this is 3
positive.
plus 2. So it becomes 3 over
Becomes 3 5
over 5. Very good. So what is this? This is my slope. Questions? Anyone have a question?
No, thank you.
Right. Very good. We move now. Adham. He might give you the points in another shape like this. Number 10. Here you have x1, y1, x2 and y2. Adham.
It will be 2 minus 6.
So we'll just let's zoom in a little bit like this. So again, you'll subtract the y's together. So 2 minus
6
over
2 minus 0
over 2 minus 0. Very good.
Yes.
Type. Next. 2 minus 6 over 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 over 2 minus 0. Very good. Type. Very good. Next. 2 minus 6 over 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0 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 over 2 minus Huh?
It will be negative 4 over 2.
Negative 4 over 2, which is, what is 4
Negative
divided 2?
Negative 2.
So it is negative 2. Excellent. So what is this, Adham? This is my slope.
Slope.
Right. I would love to solve with you 12 and 11 also. Yalla. Noor. Again, I have x1 and
Next
y1.
1,
x2 and
1, 2
y2. Yalla, m equals, huh?
equals 4
4, huh?
minus 4
Very good. So 4 minus 4 over, huh?
over 3 minus and negative 5
Very good. So it is equal. 4 minus 4 is
0,
good job. Put the 0.
and this is going to
And
be
minus
plus
to be positive.
8 positive, so
So
it's going to be
what
8
is the number now? 0 over
8
8, which is equal, huh?
0
to 0. So m equals 0.
m equals 0.
Fine. 12. Number 12. Adham. Here you have Adham. Again. x1, huh? y1. For every point you have x and y. Here you have x2, huh? y2. Yalla. So m equals
Minus 3 minus 2
very good. Negative
over
3 minus 2 over, huh?
4 minus 4.
Very good. So negative 3, negative 2 is
Negative 5 over 0.
negative 5 over 0. Whenever I have a
Which is
0 in the denominator, Adham, this means what? Huh?
0
The slope is huh?
undefined.
Undefined. So you can say that the slope is
Undefined.
undefined. Type. This
So
is
I don't write the equation.
huh?
I don't write the equation.
It's just asking here to get what? Just
The
ask to
slope.
get the slope. خلاص?
So I don't write the equation.
Yes. Type. 4.3 I sent a video for it. I would love to start in 4.4 and 4.5. Type. We want to relate them. Again, in the direct variation equation, we have said that it is y equals mx. Why? Because in this graph, it is proportional or not proportional? Huh?
Proportional.
It is passing through the origin, correct? As long as it's passing through the origin, so we can say this is proportional. In the proportional equations or the graphs, the b is equal to 0. The general equation is y equal mx plus b, but b is 0, so we do not write it. So in the direct variation equation, we don't have b. b is 0. خلاص? So both of these graphs are proportional or non-proportional? Noor and Adham?
Proportional.
Both of them are proportional, so we don't have b. I just have m. I need to find the m. But take care, in this question, he will ask you to interpret for a meaning. خلاص? So m is the slope, and another name is called, it's called the constant of variation. So here, m, what is m? I can simply divide, as long as it is passing to the origin, I can simply divide. Look at this point. Here is 20, here is 2. So 20 divided what, Adham?
2.
20 divided 2
10.
is 10. We always start with the y in the numerator. So the slope is 10. But what is the meaning of this 10? What did we divide? We divided the number of windows, صح? The number of windows divided by the number of hours, correct?
Yes.
Y divided x. So we can say that this 10 is 10 windows cleaned
Per hour.
per hour. Now in English, you can just write it. Let's write it together.
Mr. Mahmoud, I have a question.
Windows, yes.
When it's not passing the origin point, we need to write the b, the y-intercept, right?
Exactly. We will see another question now. So the meaning here is 10 windows cleaned
Per hour.
per hour. We will just write this here. Type. Your question, ya Adham, this one is proportional. I got the M, I got the meaning, but take care. He may also ask for the equation. Look, he's also asking for what? Huh? Direct variation
the direct variation.
equation. Like my equation is y
Equal
m
10x.
x. Do I need to add a b? No. Why?
No.
Because it's
Because
passing
it's
through
origin point.
the origin, so I don't have a b. So simply y equals, what is m?
10. The
And
slope.
x. Mister, I know that the equation is plus b. But the equation is plus b, no problem. But you should write here plus 0. Why plus 0?
Because it's
Because
passing
the
through
point,
the origin point.
the line is cutting the y-axis where?
0.
At 0. So you can write it, Bardo, this will be correct. And if you didn't write the 0, it will be also correct. Type.
Okay.
This is regarding the meaning. Type. We wrote y equals mx plus b, so we just got y equals 10x. We got the meaning, we got the slope. Type. Sometimes the graph has a y-intercept like this. We have just written here y equals mx plus b, and we didn't have a b, so it was y equals 10x. Top. When do I have a b? Look at the other one. Here. He's asking you to write the equation of this graph. صح? طيب.
Yes.
Y equals mx plus b. This is the equation that I know. So I need to find m, I need to find b. This time, do I have a b? Yes. Why? Because the line is cutting the y-axis at, what is this point? Huh?
2.
This point is, count with me, 1, 2. So, what is b, Anur? Huh?
The B is
The b is 2.
2.
What is m? I need to find, the m has the rule y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. What about this point? What is the coordinates of this point? Huh? 0, 2, صح?
Like this.
The x is 0, the y is 2. What is the coordinate? Yes, the other point is, this is the other perfect point. Bravo. What are the coordinates of this point? Huh? X is 1.
2, 1.
Y is, take
1.
care, x,
Okay.
here the x, look. Here the x is 1.
Mm-hmm.
The y is negative.
-1.
Now you have 2 points. You can simply get the slope. Yalla. So
it's the m is 2.
2. Huh? ماشي.
And the it's -1.
Step by step. We have x1, huh? y1. And here you have x2, huh? y2.
2.
Very good. Yalla. Subtract y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. y2 is?
y2 is the -1.
y2 is the -1. ماشي. Minus, huh?
Minus the 2.
Minus the 2. So you subtracted -1 minus the 2 over, huh? x2,
Over
which is the 1.
Minus 0.
0. Very good. So it is equal, -1, -2 is -3 over
3.
1 minus 0 is, huh?
1.
1. So the answer here is -3. So my slope is equal?
-3.
-3. And the b is 2. So now I can write my equation. So y equals?
-3x plus 2.
-3x plus 2. Excellent. So this is my equation. The m here is the -3, and also the b here,
The 2
y-intercept is
2.
m is -3, the b is 2. I will just write them as equation. So y equals -3x plus 2. طيب, so this is regarding the graphs. If the line is cutting the y-axis, so we have a b. طب, if it is not cutting the y-axis, it's passing through the origin, b is 0, so we can just say y equals mx, y equals 10x. So this is regarding graphs. Word problems. Read the word problem until I get the charter. Question 5. So, yeah, question 5. The total number of scarves knitted varies directly with the number of days. 4 scarves require 6 days to knit. Write a direct variation equation, one equation, to represent this relationship. Then identify the constant of variation, which is the slope, and interpret its meaning. So he's asking for 3 things. This is the same question that came in the quiz, but with different numbers and different meanings. So, together, he is asking you 4 scarves require how many days? 4 scarves requires
6.
6 days. Very good. So whenever I get the slope or the rate of change, I can say 4 scarves over 6 days. Top. He's saying varies directly. Varies directly means what? The y equals mx. We don't have a b. In this question, we do not have a b. Why? Because he said varies directly. So there is no y-intercept in this question. So I can simply divide 4 divided 6, divide by 2, divide by 2, it will become what, ya Adham?
It will be 24. It will be 2.
Divided 2 is 2. 6 divided 2 is 3. So this means 2 over 3 scarves. 2 over 3 scarves per day. Okay. So this is my meaning. I will just write it here in English. 2 over 3 scarves per day. This is my meaning. Right. Very good. What about, I got the slope, y equals 2 over 3. Sorry, the m equals 2 over 3. I got the meaning, 2 over 3 scarves per day. I just need the equation. Very simple. Y equals, I've just said direct variation, y equals mx, and we do not have y-intercept. So y equals, what is the answer, Adham?
2 over 3 x.
X. Do I have a y-intercept? Do I have a b?
No.
No, why? Because he said what?
Varies
directly. There is no initial point. This is the word problem of the direct variation. Let's see if I have a b. Another word problem, but it has a b. Right. How do I know? At 1:40 p.m., the temperature is 99 degrees Fahrenheit. For the rest of the evening, the temperature drops. Oh, so it started when? Where did it start, ya Lydia? Where did it start, ya Adham? Where did it start, ya Noor?
99.
At 99. So 99 here is the initial value or the starting value, or we can say
So we
that this is
So we don't start from 0. We
So
start from 99.
this b, yes, excellent. It started from 99. So the y-intercept, he said it started at the temperature 99, so the b is 99. So m, what is m? Let's continue reading. For the rest of the evening, the temperature drops an average of, he said drops, so something decreasing. So that this means positive or negative?
Negative.
Decreasing, so it is negative. Drops an average of 4 degrees per hour. Whenever you see the word per, this means that you are talking about the slope. 4 degrees per hour, so the m is -4 over 1, because I said degrees Fahrenheit per hour. 4 over 1 is just -4. Write an equation. Now he's asking for the equation in the slope-intercept form to represent the temperature y after x hours. So my question, I want an equation y equals mx plus b. This time, do I have a b? Yes. The b is the y-intercept, or we sometimes call it the initial value. طيب, solve with me. يلا. Who will tell me the equation? So y equals Adham. M is
negative 4, so negative 4x
negative 4x
plus 99.
plus the 99. So this is my equation. Simple.
Yes, Mr.
It started at B 99. The initial value is 99 and it's decreasing 4 per hour. So that's why we said y equals negative 4x plus 99. Right. So this is regarding the word problems. Mister, quickly, I would love you to help me in this question, 17. How do I tell that if it has initial value or not? We should read. 17. Membership for a robotics club is $15 per month plus one-time registration fee of $35. Write an equation in the slope-intercept form. Equation, the slope-intercept form. So this means that he wants y equals mx plus b, but we do not know if it has a b or not. Form to represent the total cost y after any number of months time. He said here $15 per month, as long as you found the word per. So this is the slope, which is the rate of change, because per indicates the rate, and the rate is the slope. So $15 per month is the slope, plus, take care here, plus what, Yanur, here?
Plus
One-time registration fee of how much?
35.
This
$35.
happens when? Whenever he starts joining the robotics club, correct? There is a one-time registration fee of how much?
Of $35.
Of $35. Very good. So this is called the initial value. So now, if he is asking for the M and the B, what is B? B is
35.
35. What is M?
15.
Is the 15. Very good. So the B here is the 35 and the M is the 15.
15.
But how did I know that the 35 is the y-intercept? He said one
because
time.
Because he said
registration. Just
registration.
only paid one time. And if it's at the beginning, so this is the initial value or the y-intercept, the B is 35. So y equals, what is the equation?
So y equals 15x
plus
plus 35.
Very good. So this is regarding the word problems. So in this question 4.4, he said varies directly, so we don't have a B. Here he started. He said plus one-time registration fee. This is the starting for the initial value. So the B is 35. This is regarding word problems. Tables. Let's go for tables. Here I have the total cost of gas varies directly with the volume of gas. The total cost of gas, he said what? Varies directly. So y equals mx. With the volume of gas, as shown in the table, write the direct variation equation to represent this relationship. Then identify the constant of variation and interpret its meaning. So I want equation, constant, meaning, the three things. Very simple. Get the m. He said varies directly. You can simply divide. As long as it varies directly, you can simply divide. So 4.5 divided 2. 4.5 divided 2 is, who can divide? This is as if it is 4.50. So 4 divided 2 is 2. 50 divided 2, 25, and you will just keep the point. Mister, what did you divide? The dollars divided by what, Adham? Gallons, correct? Adham? So this 2.25 is dollars per gallon. Type. Noor.
Yes.
So I just divided, as long as he said varies directly, I just divide 4.5 divided, huh?
2.
It is as if you are saying 4.5 minus 0 over 2 minus 0, but we do not need to write the zeros. خلاص? So this is the m. Do we have a b? No. In the direct variation, we don't have a b. So the y equals, huh?
So
X.
mx
Y equals, what is m?
2.5
2.25, huh?
x.
Very good. طب the meaning, huh? What is the meaning?
So it means 2.25
Dollars, huh?
dollars per
dollars per gallon. I divided
per
dollars per
gasoline.
gallon. So the answer is like this. Let's write it together. 2.25 dollars per gallon. That's the meaning. Simple.
Yes.
Right. Very good. Next. So I'm done with tables of variation. I have another tables here also in the non-proportional. Take care. Whenever you have at x equals 0 a value, this means that you have a y-intercept. You have a b.
So that means
This means that
b
step by
is
step,
equal
I want
to
the m, I want the b, and I also want y equals mx plus b. He wants the equation, صح? So
Mhm.
I need the m, I need the b. Simply the b is, you will just look for x at 0. What is the y? 2. So what is
the
b?
y is 2.
What is b, Adham? Adham is here? Yes, Adham. So
Yep.
what is b here, Adham?
2 because of the 0.
Because at x equals 0, the y-intercept occurs. Look, if I want to graph it, this means what? Here is x, here is y, correct? At x equals 0, what is the y-intercept? 2. Look, at x equals 0, the y-intercept is 2. So b equals 2. This is the b. Now, m. What is m? In this case, I must use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals, يلا. Here is x1 أدهم y1 x2 y2
10
يلا
minus
subtract
18
10
10 minus 18
minus 18 over
-1 minus -2. It will
minus
be
1.
1.
So it will be -8 over
8
negative
1
negative
because
will
of
be
positive
so 2 positive minus 1, it is
1.
1. So -8 over 1 يا أدهم
Yes, it will be
is
-8.
it will be -8. So the m is -8, the b is 2. So what is the equation يا أدهم? y equals
-8x
-8x
plus 2.
plus 2. Clear? So this is the tables. Here, you will say direct variation, so y equals mx. So y equals 2.25x. Here, is it direct variation? No. How did I know? Because you will find at x equals 0, there is a value. This means there is a y-intercept.
Intersect.
خلاص؟ Clear?
Yeah.
26. Questions? Any question? Adham, Noor?
No.
think
Clear?
clear.
4.6 graphing. Here in graphing, he's saying y equals -1 over 4x plus 2. Where is m? I should find, to graph, I should find the m and b first. Where is m? Noor?
The m is the -1 over 4.
So the m equals -1 over 4. Type b equals
It's 2.
b equals 2. Very good. So graph ya Noor. Where is the y-intercept? b is the
Here.
y-intercept. So I will cut the y-axis at y equals 2. Where is 2? Put the point.
Here.
Excellent. So this is the y-intercept, which is b. The slope is -1 over 4. We know that the slope is rise
Rise over run.
over, huh? Run.
Run.
But take care, it is -1, so I will go, huh?
So go down.
Down. How many steps? One
One.
step down and 4 steps running. Look, should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Mister, the graph is not there. So, la, take care. This means you are going to the left. I should go to the
Okay.
right, but there is no place.
There's
So,
no place.
-1 over 4, Yanur. Isn't it the same like 1 over -4?
Yes.
So we can deal with it like this. We can deal with it in another way. 1 over -4. How? Let's see. So this means I will go up. The rise is 1 and the run is -4. So I must go up 1 step here, 1 step up, and then I will run 4 steps to the left. Yalla. 1, 2,
3, 4.
3, 4. And this is my second point. And then you will just match.
Graph.
You will just match
Match.
the 2 points. So far, so good?
Yes.
Right.
يعني Mr. I can choose the -1 over 4.
Instead of being -1 over 4, it is the same like 1 over -4. صح?
Yes.
Both of them are the same. It depends on the graph that you have. خلاص? The paper that I gave. Okay. طيب. Y equal 3 over 4x minus 4. What is the y-intercept يا أدهم? B equal
-4.
-4. M equals
3 over 4.
M is the coefficient of x. The number beside the x is the M. So M equals 3 over 4. Very good. طيب. يلا. Where is B? -1, -2,
2, 3, 4. This one.
-4. So this is my point. The first point. Let's take another color. Blue. So this is B. Is -5. 3 over 4. Rise. Huh?
I go up 3 steps.
Overrun.
1, 2,
You
3.
go up 3 steps. 1, 2,
2,
3. So I went up like this. 1, 2, 3. And how many steps in the run?
To the right 4.
4. 4 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 steps to the right. I now have 2 points. I will just do what now? Huh? Match them with my ruler.
Yes.
خلاص. Clear?
Yes.
Right. Now the last part here I have in this module is also this one is graphing here. Y is equal to -1, x equal -5. Type. Look, whenever you have y equals -1, this means I will cut the y-axis at
The y equal -1
the
and
y-axis
the
at
-1.
-1. طب x equal -5, I will cut the x-axis at -5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will cut my x-axis at -5. يلا x equal 3. Count. 1,
X, 2, 3.
So I will draw a line here cutting
Like
the
this.
x-axis at 3.
Mr. Mahmoud.
1, 2, 3, 4. Cut the y-axis. He's saying y equal 4.
Like this.